Hey, Jason from xFanatical here. In this short video, I will demonstrate how to add multiple email aliases for bulk users in Google Workspace using Foresight. Google Admin Console does not have the option to add bulk email aliases for bulk users via CSV, and this feature was not available in the previous version of Foresight as well. But in Foresight 4.10.0, we have added this missing feature. To learn more about the new version, visit the link in the video description. This video is a sequence of bulk add users email aliases in the Google Workspace use case. You can see the link to the previous video in the top right corner and in the video description. So, let's see how Foresight works in this case. Here is the CSV that we will use to run this rule. It has only two columns, email and email aliases. To know how to get users' CSV list, see the video link in the I button. You can customize the number of columns while exporting users' list. In this CSV, we will add multiple users' email aliases for each user with a line break. Please note, for the demo purpose, we have taken only 2 users, but this can be applied to hundreds of users at a time. Now let's create the rule. Rule creation. Step 1. Go to the rule page and click the New Rule button. Step 2. Select the Data Upload trigger and upload the CSV file. Here, make sure the variable type of email aliases field is set to List of Email. Click Next. Step 3. Select Add Users Email Aliases action. Here, select Email in the primary email field and Email Aliases in the Email Aliases field. Click Review. Step 4. Enter the rule name. And click Create. As you can see, the rule is created. Now, before triggering the rule, here in Google Admin, you can see these users don't have any email aliases. Now, let's trigger the rule. Click the Upload icon and upload the same CSV file again. Verifying results. After some time, a notification will appear. Now, go to the Logs page. Here you can see the rule has run successfully. Now, let's verify the results from Google Admin Console. Go to Directory Users and find those specific users by email address. You can see all the users listed in CSV now have bulk email aliases added in their alternative email fields. Foresight is truly a handy tool for Google Workspace admins and users. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage